This store operates using the dropshipping model and sells this product, which is a winning product that generates very good sales. They have a TikTok account and rely on content creation to sell this product. They create videos daily with some videos reaching millions of views, and they have placed the store link in the bio. As soon as customers click on it, they are directed straight to the product page, where they can complete their purchase. They sell this product for $16, while its actual cost is less than $2, allowing them to achieve a large profit margin. Last month alone, they made over $6,000 from this product without spending a single dollar on advertisements. All of this was done through content creation on TikTok. You can start just like them. Stay with me until the end of this video to learn how. If you are going to run advertisements on TikTok, I will leave you in the video description a link to an excellent offer that will give you a 50% discount on the ads you run on TikTok, up to $100 in free credit. This means that if you spend $100 on ads, $50 will be deducted from your bank card and $50 from the free credit. Additionally, there is a great offer from Shopify, where your first 3 months on Shopify will be $1 per month instead of $39 per month. You will find the links to these offers in the video description. After creating your online store on Shopify, we move on to the second step, which is the supplier. The supplier we will use is Zendrop, an excellent dropshipping supplier that provides you with thousands of winning products, auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support. We will start by installing the app on the store, and I will leave you the app link in the video description. Here we can search for the product name and we will find different products at different prices on Zendrop. For example, we will choose this product, and all product details and prices will appear here. The variations, which include different colors and sizes of the product cost and the shipping cost, can be checked here. From here we select the country we want to check the shipping cost for, and the total cost will be displayed. To add this product to the store, we will click on Add to My Products. Next we go to My Products, and we will see that the product is already there. We then click on Review and Publish. From here we can edit everything before publishing the product, such as product name, product description, variations. From here we can set the selling price. For example, I can set the selling price to $75, which will then display the net profit per unit sold, including shipping costs. Here, we select the product images that will be published on the store, then click on Publish to My Store and then Confirm. And just like that, the product is now published on the store. If we now go to Shopify and click on Products, we will see that the product is already listed, and we can edit any product details. I will leave you a link in the video description for a complete guide on Shopify and how to design a professional online store. Now, when you receive orders for this product, they will instantly appear on Zendrop. You can click on Orders, and you will see the orders there, allowing you to fulfill and ship these orders to the customer. A great feature of Zendrop is that it offers 25 free orders in the free plan. To ship the product, you will need to add the product cost via your bank card or PayPal, and the product cost will be deducted directly from the balance. The net profit will be received through the payment gateway you link to Shopify, whether it is PayPal, Stripe, or any other payment gateway. After that, you will pay Zendrop the product and shipping costs, and the order will be shipped to the customer automatically. And that's it. That was today's explanation about dropshipping. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I post winning products weekly. Goodbye.